Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussion of subject of human anatomy and physiology of the pharmacy, and this is the subject of first semester of pharmacy. Now we are discuss only scope of anatomy. So let's start now. First of all is the introduction, in which the study of anatomy and physiology ever developing of sense means any parts are how is developed it then. So I am in which study the only develop of sense. And next is this word is made of two words, Greek and Latin. So first of all, definitions of human and anatomy physiology. So anatomy means study of structure of morphology of the body parts. Means the anatomy show the only morphology of the part, and second one is physiology means the study of function of the body parts. What function is do the what function. So next is the following characters of life. Like means number one is change in position of motions and respiratory reaction to change and growth, increase in the body size, no change in the shape. So next is reproduction. Reproduction means same cells are replicate and modify and made a same cells, so are called a reproduction. And next is respiration. Respiration is obtaining oxygen, removing carbon dioxide, releasing energy from body part. So respiration is the very important role in the our body. So next then are structure level of organization, in which they include the atom, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and the least complex level. And atoms is defined as the smallest particles of the animals. Atoms combined. So these atoms are very important of organism of the body. These are very important role in our bodies. And various molecules like molecules is defined as a particle composed of two or more joined atoms. So next R is a macromolecules. Macromolecules have very smallest molecules are called macromolecules. These are like as carbohydrates, lipids, protein, nucleic acid, and etc. And then is organelles. Organelles means the body parts. So this is very smallest parts like cell membrane, nucleus, ribosomes, and organelles. So these some cells are made of this various type of organelles. Okay. And the in which the study of anatomy is like cells. The means cell is defined as the basic unit of structure and so cell is the very smallest and functional unit of the body, and this is a replicates and the uh, cell cycle with the help of cell cycle. These are basically two type, cell growth and cell division. Okay, so some like this cell. And next is tissue. So tissue is a group of same cell make a tissue. And organ is composed by various same tissue. So this is made by various type of tissue. And the organ systems are like interminatory and cardiovascular systems. These are made by the various tissue, and this system is also defined as the group of organs that act together to carry on a specialized function. There are 11 organ system are mostly its type of 11 system are composed over the body. So in which the study of various organ systems of body. So next that their major organ are body like bones, ligament, cartilage, and etc. A major function providing framework, protect soft tissue, provide attachment for muscles, produce blood cells, store in inorganic salts, etc. So these are called skeletal system, and various like skin, hair, nails, sweat gland, Seb's gland, sub and major to protect tissue, regulate body temperature, support sensory receptor. So basically these are some major organelles are to following function, okay, and some is like muscles, and muscles are basically cause movement, maintains posture, and produce body heat. And next is the some other organs like brain, spinal cord, nerves, sense organ, and etc. These are major function is like detect changes, any changement to detect the environments, and receive and interpret sensory information, stimulate muscles and glands. So these are various type of organelles are present in the body, and some are major glands like pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries, testes, pineal gland, thymus. Basically, like to master gland of body are called also pituitary gland, and pituitary gland also two type, anterior and posterior. So major gland are the study of human anatomy and physiology subject. So next are these function, these are gland function mostly like control metabolism activity like glycolysis, glyconeogenesis, and etc. other, and body structure through the release, and these are gland various important role in the growths and various structure of organ of the body, okay. And next some are organs like heart, arteries, capillaries, veins, etc. And these are major function like move blood through vessels and transport substance throughout the body. These are the major function of the heart. The heart is do the work like pump to blood to organ and organ to heart. So these are very important function in the body, and some other vessels, lymph nodes, thymus, spleen, and etc. And its major function return tissue fluid to body blood and carry certain absorb food molecules, defend the body assignment infection. And some are other mouth, tongue, teeth, salivary gland, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, and gallbladder, and pancreas, and a small and large intestine. So these are major function like teeth. Teeth do the chewing of the food, and mouth the ingestion of the food, and tongue are so help in So mixing the food in the mouth. So these are very important role, and salivary gland are also a very important role to digestion of the food, like mouth and stomach. This is a very various enzymes are involved like amylase, pepsin, pepsin, and etc. And then the food digest and waste product are after to increase release the other parts. And next, these are various function involved like receive, breakdowns, and absorb food elements under sorbed and materials. And next are various some other part like major nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and these are the major part of the respiratory system. Respiratory system, so called, are the in which the oxygen are to intake of the body, and with the help of respiratory system the CO2 are released and oxygen are to involve in bloods, and blood regulate the whole bodies on, and it's maintain the our our whole body temperature. So next are these are major function. And next are some urinary systems, like in which study various part include the various parts and kidneys, ureters, urinary bladders, and urethra. So kidneys are the main function of some other elements which are not required in the body. So these are excrete the pass the body various unused minerals like urea etc. So these are very important. Remove water from bloods and maintain water and electrolyte balance, store and transport urine etc. So these are a major scope of HAP, like to know the whole body about the various compound are contained are the bodies. So this is various scope of pharmacy of HAP, and HAP is very important subject. So thank you. This is